we're given, or we're asked to find what is the ratio, which means fraction to me, of the average height of students in class X to the average height of students in class Y. So that's what we're trying to find. All right, let's look at clue 1. The average height of the students in class X is 120. So we know the numerator is 120, but we don't know anything about the denominator, so that doesn't work. All right, clue 2. Forget about clue 1. The average height of the students in class X and class Y is 126. Well, there's lots of ways you can get 126. So you don't know, you can't break down the average height in class X or the average height in class Y. You know, we only know that the average height is a combined 126. So that doesn't work. And when you put those together, that's not going to work either, because that clue, we know that average height in class X is 120. Let me see. But that clue 2 is still not going to help you because we just don't have a breakdown. So nothing works. Answer is E.